So I'm back. It's been a couple of days since I was able to get this all to where it is. So it's been agonizing the amount of time that I've had to wait to be able to come back and finish this. And so I'm going to get it mostly finished. I still need a router and plane the top and bottoms of these. I'm going to plane the top and the bottom, and then I'm going to router in a recess about ½ an inch that my anvil base will sit inside. Nice little bit of rubber down below there as well, and that will create a nice secure place for my anvil to sit. The rubber will help to deaden the ring and everything, and of course it all needs to be held down as well, and so that is what I'm going to make right now. I'm going to be using this chain that was wrapped around my anvil previously to help deaden the ring, and I'm going to be cranking it all down, getting it super tight, and making sure that that thing does not move with these. So, I want to have these in the middle, and in order for them to be in the middle, see, I've got this beam seam here, where the two come together, and that's no good. So, in order to be able to have this in the middle, I first need to attach a base plate here, give some structural support to the bolts that are going to hold these to the anvil stand. Okay, I'm very happy with this. Look at this. The stand, like I said, needs to be planed, and that will make it much more sturdy. But the anvil is not moving. I haven't even routered this yet, and I don't have the rubber beneath it because I haven't routered it. But so far, really good. I'm happy with this. So I have some lag bolts to make now for the banding. Let's do that. It is day, I've lost count. And I've gone out and I purchased a planer and a router, rented a planer and a router. And it's time to plane this because it's pretty good. I did what I could with what I had, but what I produced was not satisfactory to me. My base is pretty good. I put it on this little bit of rubber and it's pretty good. It's almost perfectly solid, but it's not perfect. It's not perfect, and so it's not good enough. So if it's not perfect, it's not good enough, it's not the best anvil stand I can make, it's inferior and it can't be what I produce. So, let's get this off here. Have I ever used a planer or a router before? Nope, never have. Well, that has some ring to it, doesn't it? Let's see what we can do to deaden that. Is complete. This thing is solid as a rock. Ring. She don't ring. I don't have an anvil stand. I had it at my knuckles here. I have it at my wrist for the work that I'm doing. Predominantly, I want it a little higher up. I'm a tall guy. What can I say? That's where I want it. That's where I like it. That's where it's going to be. That's where it is. I set out to make the best anvil stand I possibly could. I don't know. I hope I achieved that. I really do. I think I did a pretty good job. Of all the things that I've made, I'm quite proud of this one. So that's pretty great. It took a long time. It took a real long time. I don't know how many days I've had to work on this, but I mean I've spent like 2 full days on it easily. And a couple of little, I've got an hour here, I've got an hour here, come to the forge, work on it. Life is busy. Life is very busy. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please do leave a like, comment, let me know if there's anything that I could have done better in the creation of my anvil stand. I mean, it's a little bit too late for now, but if I ever made another one, maybe there's something that I missed that I could have done better that you're aware of. Hopefully not. I mean, hopefully I got this, hopefully this is the best anvil stand that you can make out of wood. But that was my intention, that was my goal. Let me know if I succeeded in that or where I could have improved. Thank you very much for watching. May the force serve you well.